We're doing this product-based video shoot from our phone using Life Lapse. This is our setup. We have the backdrop taped against the wall, and we're creating a fun little animation with these beautiful drinks. You take a photo, move the objects a little bit, take another photo, and we also did this illusion where the drink gets filled up. So you start with nothing in the drink and then slowly add liquid between each shot. Give me a follow if you want to see more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this free tutorial and you want a chance to win $100 to Amazon, which is, by the way, where we buy most of our stop motion gear, please leave us a review in the Apple App Store sharing what you love most about Life Lapse. These reviews help us out a lot, and we select a winner each month to get $100 USD to Amazon. All you have to do is go to the Apple App Store, search Life Lapse, scroll down, and then click write a review. Share what you love most about Life Lapse, screenshot it, and then DM it to us on Instagram. This will take you no longer than a minute. You'll be helping us out a ton, and you'll have a chance to win $100. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can be the first to know when we release new stop motion tutorials.